Okay, so the next step with these equations is to start using them to solve different types of problems, because that's the purpose of equations, is to solve problems. We're trying to find an unknown. So what we're going to do to start is basically we are going to translate English words to math words. So when you see the words sum, total, and, increase, more than, what kind of math is that? Adding. No, exactly. It's addition. So if you see a word problem that has those words in it, you're going to have to do some addition. Difference, decrease, less than, subtraction, or minus. Yeah. Product, times, multiplication. Quotient, division. That's the answer to a division question. Twice. Yeah, doubling or squared. Not squared. When you double something, not exponents. Like if I double 10, what do I get? If I double 10, which is what in math? Times 2. If you double 4, 4 times 2 is 8. If you double 10, 10 times 2 is 20. It's not exponents. So it's times 2. Triple times 3. Opposite. If I asked you, what's the opposite of 7? -7. What's the opposite of -11? +11. So opposite means change sign. Yes, but give me an example. Give me an example of a variable. X, M, A. It's a variable. So if I said like some number plus 10, then it would be X plus 10. Okay, let's take it one step further. Yes. Translate these phrases. Almost. X plus 5. Because a number, we don't know what the number is, so we call it a variable, a letter. 10 less than a number. Be careful. You sure?
-10 X.
It could be, but we're not going to do that just yet. But good thinking. It's not 10 minus x. It's 10 less than some number. What is 10 less than 20? 10. What is 10 less than 25? So what do I keep doing every time? I'm subtracting 10. I don't do 10 subtract. I do subtract 10. So it's got to look like this. There's a big difference between this and 10 minus x. 10 minus x would be 10 less some number. That's the difference. So you got to be careful with that one. 5 times a number. 5x. Twice a number decreased by 7. 2x minus 7. The opposite of x. Negative x. The square of y. Y squared. Now you got to be careful here. The product of 3, comma, and the sum of m and n, which means you've got to find m and n first and then times 3. How would you do that? Put it in parentheses. Yeah, we've got to do m plus n in parentheses and then times by 3. We wouldn't say 3m plus n. You could say 3m and 3n. This is a tricky one. Oh, and I'm not going to do these last two. Those are actually old ones that I don't look at anymore. This one's a little tricky. So Alexa and Stephanie have 30 books. If Alexa has X, what's an expression for how many Stephanie has? Divided? Subtraction? Okay, let's say you and I have 30 books together. If I have 10, how many do you have? 20. How did I get that? Subtracted, not divide, subtracted.
Yeah, so you subtract x equals.
Just write that, that's it. Yeah. Because remember, together they have 30. So if you've got X, I've got the total minus yours.
Yeah.
Or 30 minus X. Good. Okay. That's a roll.
Guys, we have a house. Yeah. Yeah.